So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Gemini on Chrome to plan your travel. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here click on Ask Gemini. Now here type your prompt. For example, can you create a 3-day travel plan to Triangle of India? So here it is. It gave me a complete plan. So let's ask it for more details like I'll be traveling on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I live in Dehradun, so I will leave the place by Thursday night and have to return back by Monday morning. Complete guide plan for it. So see, it's creating a plan. So instead of starting with Delhi, it told me to start with Jaipur because Taj Mahal remains closed on Friday. So see, it gave me time to travel. Basically, it's saying departure from Dehradun by late Thursday night. It gave me two options, bus or train. And day 1 Friday starts at Jaipur. Day 2 Saturday starts at Agra. And day 3 Delhi. And once this is done, it tells me to return back by Monday morning. So this I can use Ask Gemini to Google to plan your travel. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.